Hello guys, a very warm welcome to you in another video in which I am going to demonstrate how to do the air tightening of a serum bottle. So this is the serum bottle. I have put a rubber butyl cap. Then next I am going to put a aluminium cap on it. So this aluminium cap is very loose right now. Next I am going to crimp it from a tool called hand crimper. This hand crimper I am going to use. So you have to hold it this way. This is the lever of the hand crimper. It works like this. When you press the lever, you can see how it works. This is how it tightens the aluminum cap. This way. Put it on the aluminum cap. Press it a little hard, but not so hard that it breaks the neck of the serum bottle. Press it only hard enough so that the aluminum cap is crimped. Once it is airtight, just see from the bottom side of this aluminum cap it is bent, which means that it has become airtight now. So now you must be wondering from where to purchase this aluminum cap. I am showing you the bottle. So this box is of 100 pieces of aluminum cap, and we have purchased it from Supelco company. You can also purchase it. It is a 20 mm aluminum cap which could be used for 5 to 100 ml vials. Lot number you can see, catalog number you can see, and you can order it for your use. I am sharing it because when I had to use it, I was not knowing from where to order and what it is called. So next I am going to show you from where to order the hand crimper. We order it from the same company, Supelco, and its catalog number is 22316U. You can order it from here. So thank you so much for being with me in this video. I'll be bringing more useful videos to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.